A day-by-day plan to help you lose 10 pounds in 1 week. This diet includes recipes and detailed meal descriptions for 7 days. Lose weight, be healthy, and don't starve yourself. Day 1. Eat only low-sugar fruit today. No bananas. Choose apples, pomegranates, and any citrus you like. Drink 12 glasses of water. Day 2. Vegetables only. Start the day with a boiled potato. Eat the salads of your choice, plus drink 12 glasses of water. Day 3. You're allowed both fruit and vegetables today. No potatoes or bananas. Drink 12 glasses of water. Day 4. Eat 8 whole bananas today. Make and eat today's basic vegetable soup recipe. Drink 3 glasses of milk. Also, drink 12 glasses of water. Day 5. Eat 6 small tomatoes today, plus a serving of plain, boiled rice. You can also have more vegetable soup, apples, oranges, and grapefruit. Drink at least 10 glasses of water. Day 6. Eat a small serving of rice. You can have vegetable soup 3 times. Drink at least 10 glasses of water. Day 7. Eat a small serving of rice. You can have vegetable soup and vegetable salad today. Drink at least 10 glasses of water, plus fruit juice if desired. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, comment and share. If you would like to hear about more healthy foods and food and beauty tips, please subscribe to the channel. Have a great and healthy day.